Let's see final part of peacock feather crochet tutorial. Welcome to my YouTube channel Sanjs Aasha. In first part we were done till here. Okay. Now see of that white section we will see how the down part of the feather is done. Just fold it, fold the white part, upper part in between, and put a marker on that middle stitch which comes when you fold. Now from that stitch go on counting 11 stitches to left and 11 stitches to right, and please place one marker. 11 count 11 stitches from that middle marker to 11 stitches to left, place a marker, 11 stitches to right, place marker. Okay. Now insert your needle in the 11th stitch, and we will add the yarn by making a slip knot, or by making a chain crochet stitch, slip stitch. Then we make one single crochet in each single stitch using back loop of each stitch. Now see, we are on the front side of the feather, so whenever you're on the front side we will use back loop of each stitch, and whenever we are on the back side we will use front loop of each stitch. Okay. Now till that uh, middle marker, we will go on making one single crochet stitch in each stitch using back loop of each stitch. Okay. See, we have reached till that marker, middle marker, where now we will just remove that marker, and in that particular stitch where we place the marker, there we are going to make 5 double crochet stitches in that one stitch itself. I'll just show you. 5 double crochet stitches in that stitch where we place that middle marker. Once we are done with those 5 double crochet stitches in that stitch where we place the middle marker, after that 11 stitches ahead, again we will make one single crochet stitch in each single stitch till 11 stitches. Okay. I'll just complete this. Now done with 11 stitch, make a chain crochet and turn your crochet work. Make a chain crochet, turn your crochet work. Now see, here onwards in every new row we will skip 3 stitches. 3 stitches that comes after the current loop on the needle, and from 4th stitch we will start making one single crochet stitch in each stitch till end. Okay. End is like we are working only on those 11 stitches left, 11 stitches right. Okay. On those 22 plus 1, 23 stitches, we are just working on that now. Okay. So in every new row skip 3 stitches that comes after the current loop on the needle, start from 4th stitch, make one single crochet stitch in each single stitch. Now see, we are on the back side, so when we are on the back side we use front loop of the stitch, and this we are going to continue one single crochet stitch in each stitch till that last 11 stitch, from 11 to 11. Okay. So I'll just complete this much part, and it's like you have to go on doing this. Only remember, when you're on the back side use front loop, when you're on the front side use back loop, and in starting of every new line skip 3 stitches, those comes after the current loop on the needle, and by end of the line Just make a chain crochet and turn your work. Again do the same, go on repeating same. Okay, and this you have to go on your stitches automatically, gradually they go on decreasing. So this you have to do till you are left with 6 stitches. Go on doing this. Okay, and I'll tell you further then. First I'll complete this much and show you. Now see, here we are done till we are left with the 6 stitches. See how it went on gradually decreasing. Now we make a chain crochet and turn a crochet work. Now for those 6 stitches, what will be the pattern? First stitch, one single crochet stitch. Second stitch, one half double crochet stitch. Third stitch, one double crochet stitch. Then two double crochet stitches. Third stitch, two double crochet stitches. Then make two chain crochet stitches. Fourth stitch, again make two double crochet stitches. See, third stitch, two double crochet stitches followed by two chain crochet stitches. Fourth stitch, two double crochet stitches. Okay, fifth stitch, one half double crochet stitch, and sixth stitch, one single crochet stitch. And that's it, done. We are done with a feather. Now only one final round is remaining. 2 steps are there. Okay, now we will just make one slip stitch in each stitch all around the feather. Okay, one slip stitch in each single stitch all around the feather. Now we are done with whole slip stitch round. Now see, now we have to make that one line that goes across the feather. Okay, so from that center hole, or from there, or come little bit down, even if you start from that center hole, it's absolutely okay. We have to go on making one slip stitch in a straight line down, straight line down. See, I'm showing you. Just go on making one slip stitch right in middle of the feather, and go in a straight line downwards. See, now when we have reached till end, now we make 10 chain crochet stitches. Okay, 10 chain crochet stitches. Then skip, after 10 chain crochet stitches are done, skip first stitch that comes after the current loop on the needle, and after that make one slip stitch in each single stitch till we reach the joint. Then make a slip stitch with joint and we are done. Just after that we have to you can decorate this feather as you can want. You can use it as a decoration piece. I'll just show you final part. See, now just stitch that indigo and blue part on white part of the feather, and your feather is done. If you want to decorate it more, you can decorate it as much as you want. Or this also, it's looking so pretty. So I hope so you have liked the video. If you have liked the video, please like, comment, share and subscribe Sanjs Aasha YouTube channel. I'll show you my final piece, how I have done it, how I have decorated it. so you can get an idea. See, this is how I've done it. I've kept it simple only. You can decorate it more as much as you want. So I hope you have liked the video. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe Sanjs Aasha YouTube channel. If you have not yet subscribed, I'll request you to please do subscribe my YouTube channel. I'm coming up with lots and lots of new videos. So please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you.
Thanks for watching my video. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.